Nothing like you and I, baby.
Player T.
This is ordinary love.
I love the streets, I love the streets.
Ordinary love.
I gotta get it, Lord is my witness. I'm handling business, just pay attention, sit back and listen. Yeah.
Ordinary love.
I love the streets, I love the streets.
Ordinary love.
I gotta get it, Lord is my witness. I'm handling business, just pay attention, sit back and listen. 2 to 4, 4 to 8. I'm trying to get my life straight, house on the lake. I'm trying to get money, I ain't got time to play. Nigga, fuck a club, man, I'm trying to run a play. Life was hard, I came up the hard way. What you mean, player T? I came up off the hard, yeah. And I got nuts, I serve a nigga broad day. All this contraband profit, I'm a walking staircase.
Yeah. So I didn't even use my new brake pads because them brake pads still had a lot of meat on them. And I got a set of new ones right there. So we're going to use these to burn it off. And then later on, I'll come back and I'll change it. And I'll probably eventually change this line. And eventually this caliber too when I do a brake upgrade. Probably go to L body or get me a Brembo set of ATS, the Cadillac ATS with the Brembos. It'll fit on here. It's a big brake upgrade. And like a 2000 Camaro or Firebird, you can get the L body brake. All right, as y'all can see how it's still red. Now after I dry this and I brake, only thing gonna be red is them drill holes and them slots. They still gonna be red. And see the hub part right there, instead of that turning rusty, that's gonna stay red. And the top part of the rotor, this part of the rotor gonna stay red. Everything which y'all see rusty on this one is gonna be red on that one. That's the whole reason of me painting it all red, if I was wondering. Everything on the face of it gonna burn off back to whatever the silver or metal. Another piece I got from the yard, the skid plate. So that'll protect under my engine. Got that from the yard, got that out for them. I'm finna wash it down, put it up underneath my car. Skid plate, that's supposed to help with air. That helps with stuff hitting the ground, popping up. I ain't gotta worry about nothing hitting my starter, none of that. So that's the skid plate. But we finna rinse that down with the water hose right now. Then we're gonna bolt this on underneath the car. Mine's never had it. So I don't know, y'all get in the comments and tell me what is the benefit of having a skid plate versus not having one. I don't know the difference, but I hear it makes a difference. I hear aerodynamics can help on that too. Not for sure, y'all get in the comments and let me know. Let me wash this down for time being, get that clean. Y'all can see I'm in front of the car, SSE. So y'all see with all this being open and me having the custom 0 gauge wires for my starter and running a big 3 setup, this skid plate supposed to help protect all that stuff popping up on the road. And like I said, I got these big wires. I definitely don't want nothing popping up hitting it. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is put my skid plate on. It's supposed to help with air too. So guessing I'm gonna go and put it on since I got it. It's got air hole breathers on it. It's a plus. And I already got my bolts. It's just since I had the car, I never had one on it. With the junkyard SSE being a good, it could just keep giving. They probably finna crush that thing real soon. But yeah, let me get to it, y'all. We're gonna cover up and see my starter right there. Rock, anything pop up, I wanna have that protected. And like I say, definitely with these 0 gauge wires. All right, and as y'all can see, the skid plate is on. I'm real curious. It's missing a piece right here. It goes right here. It's like a lip and that attached, all that attached to that. But most of all is there. You gotta worry about nothing popping up, hitting it. And we'll see how the air do. I need a couple more screws put in right here. The skid plate is on. Then it has like little wind breathers for air, I'm assuming. Circulate, but it's on. Like I said, I need a couple of more screws. I know I got them somewhere. So I'm gonna find those couple of screws to tighten all that up. So what I need, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 more bolts. But I'm happy most of all though. Loud skid plate, you can't see no more engine. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, my latch is broke. New latch I got from the yard. This whole thing right here is supposed to have this tab on there that broke off. Still got the wire on there, that's a good thing. And it'll be the whole assembly right there. So that'll be a replacement right there. So I ain't gotta use a vice grip on it no more. Caught that on the last Bonneville before they crushed it. Pulled that off of it. So we'll get that working. So it'll go in there like that. We actually had a hood latch part. We won't have to use pliers or none of that no more. Yeah, I get tired of using them vice grips. I had to like cut like a little hole to let this part sit in there. I'm tired of doing that. Sometimes you move, it'll pop out and go back in. So yeah, that's the hood latch. All right, there go the old one. Y'all see I broke out? I'm screwing the new one in. Those are the 2 10mm bolts. Right there. The latch is on. The wire is hooked up to it. You can see the little wire right there. So that's on. Let me finish tightening this up. These 2 10mm bolts. Right now it's hand tightened. Come through and tighten it up real good with my hands. I can tuck all my wires too now while I'm at it. But yeah, so y'all see what's going on. Got a new hood latch that's not broke. Glad I caught it out the car because it's harder to find these 92 to 1995 Bonnevilles. Even though you can use stuff from all the way to 92 to 1999, certain stuff, like interior stuff. But yeah, that's what we got. All right, y'all, panel back on. Switch back on, there we go. Now I think my springs, they're supposed to pop up and then pop off. And I gotta figure out if it's a screw that goes inside of this. I'm thinking it's something that goes inside of that keep that on, but I'm gonna figure it out. But this right here is better than what I had. So at least we got that now. I just gotta figure out the screw. All right, y'all. Sir, riding on the interstate, baby. Everything working. Going about 85. Need to slow my ass down.
like 7 white. What you niggas know about making the bankroll? Stacks so motherfucking big that it can't fold. I got LLCs and certificates. I'm by my Benjamin, player to getting it. Name one that's realer than your girlfriend. I'm drilling it, trying to have my own island one day like I'm Gilligan. Yeah, I love the streets, I love the streets. I gotta get it, Lord is my witness. I'm handling business, just pay attention, sit back and listen. Yeah, I love the streets, I love the streets. I gotta get it, Lord is my witness. I'm handling business, just pay attention, sit back and listen. I love the streets, I love the streets. I gotta get it, Lord is my witness. I'm handling business, just pay attention, sit back and listen. Yeah, I love the streets, I love the streets. I gotta get it, Lord is my witness. I'm handling business, just pay attention, sit back and listen. My Jacksonville plug coming back from Cali with it. And when he drop it off, you know I'm a bitch. Prices so goddamn